Water has a density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter at 4 degrees Celsius, 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit. It's used as a reference point because it's a nice, round number and water is, well, everywhere. Think of water as the Beyoncé of the density world. It's the standard that everything else gets compared to. Just like how every new pop star gets measured against Queen Bey, we measure the density of other substances relative to water. This 1 gram per cubic centimeter is like water's hit single, catchy, easy to remember, and it's been topping the density charts for ages. But here's where it gets interesting. This density is part of what makes water so special and essential for life. If ice were denser than liquid water, it would sink, and lakes and oceans would freeze from the bottom up. Instead, ice floats, insulating the water below and allowing aquatic life to survive winter. It's like water's got its own little life-saving trick, a sort of density dance that keeps things just right for life on Earth. So next time you're sipping on some H2O, remember, you're drinking the substance that sets the gold standard in the density game. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.